Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have probably the largest luxury unboxing I have ever filmed here on my channel, and it's going to be the biggest jewelry unboxing here on my channel. I am very pumped to show you all of these pieces. Everything is from Cleef Arpels, which is my most favorite jewelry brand of all, and I cannot wait to share everything with you guys. But before I do that, if you're new to my channel, my name is Aika. I post a lot of fashion related videos, shopping vlogs, reviews and unboxings, so if you're interested in any of these topics, then this is the channel for you. Make sure to hit the red button down below and also turn on the bell, and you can also follow me on Instagram. It's at BonjourAika. And with that said, let's get into the video. So guys, these bags are huge. So bag number one, and we've got bag number two. Oh, the light is crazy because of these white bags over here. But one bag, this is a disclaimer by the way, one bag is for me, the other bag is for my sister. I'm not sure where is what because they are identical, but let's just open them and see what's inside. So they covered the Cleef Arpels bags with this thick white bags that are fully closed. They even stapled them here at the bottom. This is for security reasons, so people don't try and steal your bags, and I really appreciate that. Let's start with the first one, which is the lightest. So this is very heavy. This is not so heavy, so let's start with this one. And we have this Van Cleef bag, really nice. And let's take out the second one. And here's the second bag. Yay! Sorry, I took a short break there to do the thumbnail picture, but let's begin with this one, which is for my little sister. And you know, I'm trying to be 100% transparent with you guys, and I'm not gonna lie and say, oh, this is all for me, because sometimes when I do an unboxing and I say that, okay, this is my mom's or this is my sister's, I get this comment saying, why would you unbox this if it's not yours? But I mean, it's my family's, and we can pretty much share anything we have, like everything we have in our collections all combined together. We share among us, and there is absolutely nothing wrong with that. It's not like I go to my neighbors, knock on their doors and ask, hey, do you have any packages I can unbox for my YouTube channel? I mean, this is crazy. But since I searched these items, since I bought them, and since I picked them up, since I have them here, why not unbox them with you guys, right? Because it's so much fun. And first thing that I see are these pouches, and you can already tell what this is. I mean, these pouches, they give it all away. And inside we've got this booklets over here, the authenticity booklets, and we've got 3 boxes. Oh, actually 4 boxes. Oh, I have another pouch over here. So there is a lot going on here. So this is a little gift that I received from my essay. It's a perfume, which I already showed you in my other Cleef Arpels unboxing, I think. Now we have all these cute little boxes to unbox all together. I'm super excited. Let's start with the smallest one. They are all wrapped so beautifully. Here is the first item. Oh, here it is. It is so gorgeous. It is actually the item I'm wearing right now. I have the exact same earring. So this is the vintage Alhambra earrings in mother of pearl, yellow gold. I wear mine pretty much all the time. And my sister, she also wanted something very classic, and I mean, you cannot go more classic than this. So she went for the same pair of earrings, and I will do some mod shots as well. And the whole of vintage Alhambra collection was inspired by the clover leaf for luck with border of golden beads, and this collection was created back in 1968. Oh, so long ago. And this collection to this day is one of the most wanted from Van Cleef. Everyone loves it, especially mother of pearl, because it's so beautiful. These earrings are gorgeous, and when she told me she wanted this collection, I'm like, heck yes, it's the best. Now let's move on to the next item, and let's open this box over here. Here it is. Any guesses? Ta-da! So the next item she picked up is the same bracelet, the matching vintage Alhambra mother of pearl yellow gold bracelet. I am actually wearing the same bracelet. It's with 5 motifs, but mine is in leatherwood, and this is the beautiful mother of pearl to match the earrings. And I don't have this bracelet, but I think it would be so amazing to complete my set. So I have the earrings, I'm wearing the magic Alhambra necklace, so it's not vintage, it's magic. It's one pendant, but it's big. I wish I had a bracelet as well, so maybe sometime in the future I'll get one myself, but since I have leatherwood, I don't mind. But here it is so beautiful. Let me take it out of the box. So as you can see, it has this 5 little clover leaves, and we had to remove some of the links in between because the size was a little bit too big, but now it's perfect. So they made it to size 17. Even for me it was really big, and I did the same thing with my bracelet. So now as you can see, it's pretty tight on my wrist. I think I would prefer it slightly bigger, but I'm not sure if that's going to be possible to make, because they have to have equal amounts of the little links between each clover leaf. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to put like 1 or 2 in between to make it just slightly looser. For right now, let's move on to the last item that my sister picked up, and it's in here, and you probably already know what it is. You can tell, I'm sure. Oh, this is beautiful. I actually haven't seen any envelopes like this from VCA. Wow, this is how you open it, right? And then down here, here. Oh, there is more. Wow. And ta-doo! So the last item that she chose is this beautiful necklace. It has 10 motifs, and it's so classic. As I said before, I only have 1 pendant, but it's bigger, and she decided to go for this one. And honestly, when you try it on, it looks so good. It just looks so luxurious. And one trick that you can make with this necklace, so she didn't want a long one. She wanted this, which is more casual and easy to use every day. So this is what it looks like. But if you want to make it longer, what you can actually do is take the bracelet, right? So you take the bracelet, you open the necklace, and then you just attach them all together. I'm gonna show it to you so you guys can see. We attach the bracelet onto the necklace, and it turns into a longer necklace. And this is so cool in my opinion. So she doesn't want to wear a bracelet, for example, but she wants a longer necklace to, I don't know, go with a dress or something. This is how it's done. It basically turned into a long necklace. Will it fit through my head? Oh yes, it did. It's pretty long. And this is what it looks like. Without the bracelet, it's somewhat like this, but with a bracelet attached to the necklace, it's longer. Can you see? It's not super long, but it still gives that link, which is really amazing. That's why we love Van Cleef, because there are so many possibilities with their jewelry and you can play around and create different things with them. It's really amazing. Okay, let me detach. Where's the bracelet? Here it is. Boom, and it goes back into two different pieces, the bracelet and the necklace. And so this is everything she got. Such beautiful pieces, and as you can see, that's why it's not for me, because I have pretty much the same set. And this is the perfume that I received. It's called Imperial Amber and it smells really nice. I got the same perfume for my mom the other time we were shopping at Van Cleef, and it smells divine. I'm not gonna lie, it smells really nice. Now let's move on to my pieces. I'm also very excited. We did receive another gift. It's over here. I haven't seen it yet. I don't know what it is, and my essay told me that it's a butterfly, like a crystal butterfly, but I haven't opened the package yet, and we'll do that at the end of the video. Or should we do it now? Let's just do it now and then I'll show you what I got. And this is from a store, it's a local store in Geneva, it's called Tuzo, and they have a lot of beautiful design pieces for your home, as well as some furniture. I've never been there, but I've always wanted to go there. And it's from a brand, Bernardo, and I think she gifted us a tray from this brand. I'm trying to be very careful because I don't know what to expect. Oh, this isn't the butterfly. She told me this was a crystal butterfly. Maybe it is. What is this? Oh, it's a candle. It has butterflies, but it's not the crystal butterfly she was telling me about. Wait. Hold on a second. Okay, there we go. It smells really nice. So it's like a little candle. It's so cute. I'm gonna show you the up close videos, but this piece is really beautiful and it smells really nice. Oh, this is what it's supposed to look like. Can you see? And now let's unbox my pieces. I have the bag over here, and let's start with this one. I have 3 boxes as well. All of them are here. Any guesses? It's kind of different from what my sister picked up. It's a different collection. It's not the Alhambra collection. Let's start with this box. It's a bigger box, but I'm just curious what's inside. Okay, we have another green velvet box. Wow, this is so beautiful. So here are my new earrings, and they are from the Lucky collection. And Lucky collection was created back in 2006 for Van Cleef & Arpels 100th anniversary. So this is an extra special collection. It is newer compared to the Alhambra, the vintage Alhambra collection, but it is still not the very recent one, so it's 15 years old today. These pieces are actually very difficult to find because of the stones they use. This is, for example, the tiger eye in the butterfly, and this stone is extremely hard to find nowadays. Production of this collection is very limited, and the fact that I managed to find this collection, it was surprising, you know, because it's not something that you can just walk into a store and see and buy. These earrings have 2 motifs, and the earrings are in yellow gold. It has mother of pearl in clover at the top, and then the bottom is in butterfly shape in tiger eye. This collection is nature inspired. They use symbols like hearts and butterflies and leaves and stars. They all form joyful association of colors and shapes, and just together they form beautiful combinations. So here are my earrings. Should I actually put them on now? Let's put them on right now. Some of you might say that they're similar to my earrings, and yes, they in fact are, but still different. They are long earrings, and they have this cute butterflies at the bottom. So to me they are more for going out. They're not that casual in my opinion. I almost never wear long earrings, although I have a few, but this time I was like, why not? They look so beautiful, and I love the colors, that the bottom part is in brown, and the mother of pearl is very neutral. And also my bracelet, this is another reason why I've decided to wear my bracelet today, is to see how the leather wood will look together with tiger eye. Of course they are different, but they don't really have to match 100%. So here is the next box, and it's a smaller box. Any guesses? Leave them in the comments. Another box over here, and the other item, oh no, it fell off. The other item that I picked up is this stunning ring. It's the same one as the earrings. It also has a butterfly in tiger eye and clover in mother of pearl, yellow gold. It's a matching set. So this is what the ring looks like. It's a between the finger ring. I think it looks so beautiful. I can't remove my wedding band, but let me move these rings, and I will put this one here separately. So this is what it looks like, and it is gorgeous. What do you guys think? It's such a beautiful combination. I'll put my Cartier rings over here, but I feel like this ring deserves the full hand. And lastly, I have another box. Here is the last box, and the item that I went for is this beautiful bracelet. How stunning is it? It is, oh, it has all four, is it four? Yes, 4 different motifs, which include the leaf, the clover, the butterfly, and the heart, but they're all bigger except for the clover. It's the same size, but the butterfly, the heart, and the leaf are sort of enlarged a little bit. And the stones that I used, so it's yellow gold, and then the leaf in green is malachite, the clover is mother of pearl, butterfly is again tiger eye, and the heart is cornelian. I have a matching red heart bracelet over here, but it's a tiny, it's the sweet Alhambra bracelet, and this heart compared to the one I have on my bracelet currently is ginormous. I haven't seen a heart this big at Van Cleef, and so this is the bracelet. I'm not sure if I'll be able to put it on by myself because it's a bit tricky and I'm home alone right now. No, I can't do that. I don't think I can. Wait, let me try again. Okay, here it's done. So here is the bracelet. It's so stunning. And also my mom, she was actually the initiator of this purchase in some part, because she bought the same set as this one, the lucky one, and she wanted us to have the same ones, but my sister, she was like, well, you're gonna have 2 same matching sets. I don't want that. I want a more classic one. So she went with the classic one. I got the same one, and this lucky collection comes with a long necklace including all of these beautiful charms, the heart, the butterfly, clover leaf, and the regular green malachite leaf. They are not available. When I went to the store to order all of these pieces, they had one necklace available in Paris, but it was already unfortunately reserved. And because of what's going on in the world right now, we are not even sure when they'll produce the new necklaces, but we already ordered 2, so the next 2 necklaces that will be going out of the factory should be ours, and I'll keep you updated on that. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take. It might take a year, it might even take 2 years. You never know with these pieces. They're very rare, and hopefully we'll be able to get the necklaces soon to complete this beautiful set. But what do you guys think? I know I have 4 bracelets right now which look ridiculous, so I will for sure remove some of them when wearing this bracelet, but Oh, it's so stunning. For now, we'll just enjoy these beautiful pieces, and this was a gift from my mom and dad for my birthday. It's an early gift. My birthday is in July, and I'm just so very grateful for that. I never take things for granted, and I'll be forever grateful for everything they do. This is it for my today's unboxing video. What is your favorite set? Is it the vintage Alhambra or is it the Lucky collection? Let me know in the comments down below. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!